This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Ann Davis. Oceanside 2-unit condo with very desirable flexible floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths on first floor with laundry room. Third floor primary with cathedral ceiling and updated primary bath. Elevator to all 3 floors. No condo fee. Lovely sitting area, deck off great room. Oversized updated kitchen with open to either dining room or extra family area. Family room is 2-story. Hardwood and tile throughout. Quality construction. Beauty of a oversized street. Gated entrance for privacy. Even a much-loved traffic light to Atlantic Avenue. Luxury at the beach. For more information, review the details below or contact Ann Davis at 757-422-2200.